Learn it with Aish.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see a program to swap two numbers with or without using third variable. So first of all, we will see for with using third variable. So for that, if I take two values, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10, then we need to swap the value of A to the B and value of B to the A. That means the value of A will be 10 and the value of B will be 5. So we have to swap these two values with using third variable. So for that, let's see how we can use OR logic in Python. So first of all, we have to take two values. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. And we also need to take another third variable, which is I have take 10 is equal to A. This means the value of A will goes to the temp variable. That means the value of A is equal to 5. So the value of temp is equal to 5. Then I will use A is equal to B. This means the value of B will be goes to the A. That means the value of A will be 10. And now we have got the value of A. Now we will see for B. So B is equal to T and B. That means the value of 10 will be goes to the B. So B is equal to 5. Now I will print both the values. Print value of A is equal to comma A and print value of B is equal to Now our program is completed. Now we will check our output is correct or not. You can see we have got the value of A is equal to 10 and the value of B is equal to 5. So here our program to swap two numbers with using third variable is completed. Now we will see for without using third variable. For that we have to use same logic, but we can't use third variable in this program. So for that, if I have take the value of A is equal to 5 and value of B is equal to 3, then what can I do for swapping the value of A to the B and B to the A? So for that, I will use A is equal to A plus B. So I have added the value of A and B and I will store the answer of A plus B in A. So from this equation, we will got the value of A is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Now I will subtract B is equal to A minus B. That means the current value of A is equal to 8 and the value of B is equal to 3. So if I subtracted the value of A minus value of B, then I will got B is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So we have got the value of B. Then we need to find the value of A. For that, I will use A is equal to A minus B. That means the current value of A is equal to A and the current value of B is equal to 5. If I subtract 8 minus 5 is equal to A is equal to 3. Now I will print the value of A is equal to A and print value of B is equal to Now let's see our program is working or not. You can see we have got the value of A is equal to 3 and value of B is equal to 5. So we have successfully swapped two values.
If you like my video, please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.